How's it going? My name's Sean Osteen. I'm the owner of Osteen's Load and Go. Today I want to talk to you about a 12-yard dumpster. This is the smallest dumpster we offer in our fleet. It's about 12 foot long, 8.5 foot wide, about 4.5 foot tall. It fits approximately between about 4 to 5 pickup truck loads worth of trash in it. It's perfect for small bedroom remodels, kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels, anything of that nature. Small 1 to 2 bedroom apartments. You set the dumpster right in your driveway. You don't have to set a little bit out by the road, a little bit at a time, waiting for your regular trash service to pick it up. Go ahead and get it all done in one swoop. And it's good. You can fit it right in a parking spot. And if you're not sure what size dumpster you need, you can give us a call at 407-988-5341, and one of our dumpster experts will help you pick the right size dumpster for you. Or you can go on our website at osteensloadandgo.com and you can book a dumpster today.